Okay, we all need a bit of free space every now and again, a bit of headspace. We all need to get out and about. We need a bit of fresh air. I've got a challenge for you. Go outside, see what's out there. Take the phone with you, record it, put it online. Look at this tonight. I've found my special space. I found my special spot. It's Birling Gap. The sun's going down. It's a beautiful end to the day. It's cold, but hey, don't let that stop you getting outside. You never know what you'll miss if you don't. And it's just such a beautiful sunset. So hey, enjoy it with me. But go and find your own space. Get out there. Enjoy.